Hi everybody, and welcome to the first 180 Markets Weekly Wrap of 2026. And well friends, the calendar may have shifted, but the big trends are still in place. And what do I mean by that? Well, all you need to look at are commodities, and when you look at gold, silver, copper, all of them have these huge trends in place and they keep going. And Shaun, what do you do in these very hot commodity trends, but you know that there will be a shakeout move or two?
You just got to keep playing them and hope that you don't get caught when the shake-up happens. It just keeps going and going, so I guess you just can't think that it's going to happen, but it will turn. There will be a time where there's selling. It may just be for a few days, maybe for a few weeks, but at the moment everything's feeling super, super strong. And just got to enjoy it while it's here.
Well, one way to enjoy the market is through options, and especially unlisted options. And well, Shaun, what do we have that's new at 180 Markets to help you?
Well, we've been working on this for a while, and this will be ready next week. Now, as a person that buys and sells a lot of shares, I get a lot of options, and especially through placements, and it's hard to keep track of them. We will keep track of them for you from now. Any deals you take through 180, the options will automatically be stored there for you, and you can upload all other options you hold on the platform. Keep track of it, and we will help you. Not only will we store it for you, we'll give you alerts, and the options are often hard for accounting purposes, and we'll make that way easier. Let's take a look at the screens. Here we go. We're at the 180 Markets platform. And as we said, next week, you will have a great place to store your options.
That's
and
right.
Greg, we've been working on this for a while. There's a lot of features with that. And can't wait for it to get working because don't know about you, but I've got all these forms at home with all my unlisted options and very hard to get alerted and keep track of it.
That's right.
So here are some placements. PGY, wow, this one has not performed well recently, has it? Raising at 0.36. Now, Greg, they are issuing a lot of options.
That's right.
So don't know if I'm going to punt on that. I think it's just had its time and it just keeps going lower and lower. LNQ raised money this week, currently closed 55 cents. It was a bit of a discount. Do you follow LNQ?
I do not, Shaun.
Okay, so don't know why I asked you. ADO, this is one that we co-led.
Yes.
We put in money ourselves, Greg. And hopefully Merrill can produce the goods.
Right, and you have two ways to win here, both on battery coatings and in the healthcare space.
And the shares and the options as well. Quite a few options there. So DTR hit the market again. I used to hold heaps of these at 2 cents.
Oh my gosh.
And I think I sold them at 2.2. So pretty bad there. But they raised money, 17% discounts. These guys had a massive run last year and then they leveled off a bit, now raising a few times. And good luck to Steve and the team. Ballard hit the market, not one that I followed.
Same.
And the big one of the week was MTM.
What a performer.
Now that one has been an amazing performer, different broker this time. But 84 cents, and the boys at Petra went hard and raised a lot of money. And finally, CYM, Cyprim, they've done a consolidation, haven't they, Greg?
Sure, they have, but the stock price has performed. Matt Fifield, good luck to you. You performed very well, and Nifty Mine is on its way to being restarted.
That's right. Good luck, Matt. So let's take a look at the IRS, and there it is, Cyprium, CYM, and as we can see here, they've pretty much quadrupled since April. Down a bit today, I think just announcing the placement, getting ready for some staggers, as you can't avoid. But Greg, what else are you seeing in the market?
Well, Shaun, one area that we are definitely focusing on, we always look for themes, you especially, and the theme is uranium.
That's right. A lot of uranium stocks have been moving, and yeah, I mean, I heard Macquarie said. What did Macquarie say this week?
That uranium is the commodity of the year.
Wow. So, I mean, this is one I trade a lot. Alligator, got a lot of volume. It's pretty much doubled in the last month or so, just because of that uranium enthusiasm. So stocks like this will overperform and outperform the uranium price. It's so small, and do you remember we letter raised at 0.8 with some options?
It's at 0.8 with a 1-for-2 options at 1.2.
I think that was in 2020, and yeah, I mean the stock I think hit 10 cents after that back in the good old days, but we shouldn't complain, should we?
No, Paul Dixon, well done.
Now, Lotus, another uranium, unfortunately they've consolidated, so makes it much harder for people like me to get in and out. And yeah, there's another one I know you follow, NXG.
Yes, next gen. This is the big one up in Canada, well advanced, Shaun, and certainly a lot of trading liquidity as well.
Now, as we're talking about themes, one theme that has not gone away and just getting hotter by the day is silver and gold. Silver especially.
Crazy.
Look at this one, USL. I remember I owned them down here at 20 cents, sold at 22. Well done. Yeah, how good's that? I made my 5%, and now $1.06. I actually can't believe it.
Hey, Shaun, and can you just pull up BKB?
There it is.
BKB, this is what happens. They bought a project, one of the largest silver exploration places in Mexico. And this is what happens when you have a management team that comes in, new project, new team, and what the share price can do.
And here is another one that has done exceptionally well, MKR. That is next level, Manuka. It was trading down in the dumps, and just the last 2 months has gone parabolic. There's quite a few of these, and yeah, I mean, that silver price means that these little old strugglers can really make good money. And a big shout out to my mate Anton. You backed this hard, and well done to you and all your investors. A lot of gold stocks moving, and yes, why not? That gold price, it could go. I mean, it just keeps going and going. Don't know where it's going to stop. Let's look at this little one, AAU. This is one that we have raised quite a bit of money for, followed it closely. And Brian, you got your week in the sun. You've been waiting a long time, working your ass off, Brian. Well done, and great to see that you have finally gotten those rewards.
That's right.
All right, this week we saw a big takeover in rare earth land, ASM, Australian Strategic Materials. Now, Greg, they were trading at 70 cents, and the takeover was equivalent to $1.60.
And Shaun, this is a classic bull market, capital markets activity that we are seeing.
Exactly. You don't see this in bear markets, but at the moment, you're just seeing so much good news. So many stocks are running, and yeah, I mean, every day you see a different company with good news, and the stocks just go nuts. So yeah, well done to anyone that was holding that one. Some other movers, VR8, they went up quite a bit this week.
Yes.
I know you followed them, Greg.
Yes, vanadium finally coming to life here. South African vanadium play. Well done to the team. They have taken a lot of pain, but it looks like the worst is over, Shaun.
That's right. T92 had a move again this week. They moved a few weeks ago. But yeah, I mean, we could just go on and on. There are just so many stocks that keep going up, and it is getting a bit scary. There is going to be some consolidation soon. Hopefully there won't be a reversal, but yeah, you just got to enjoy it while it's here.
That's right.
All right, Greg, much planned for the weekend?
Quiet, long weekend here, but Shaun, what about you for tonight?
Yeah, I'm going to the tennis, going to watch our Aussie, Dimana. So, yeah, fingers crossed that he can get through again.
Good luck, Alex.
Have a great weekend, everyone.
Bye-bye.